Welcome to Sonicwall Video Solutions. My name is Kritika Nakshatri. Today, we will demonstrate how to configure static DHCP assignments for the Global VPN virtual adapter. In order to configure static DHCP for the GVC virtual adapter, we need to first find out the MAC address assigned to the GVC virtual adapter. We then create a static DHCP entry on the Sonicwall. Alternatively, you can also assign a static IP to the Global VPN adapter itself. Today for demonstration, we are using a Sonicwall NSA 220 with the firmware version 5.9.0.3. To begin with the configuration, we need to first find out the MAC address of the Global VPN adapter. On the client system where the Global VPN adapter is installed, go to the Start option, Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings. This path could be a little different depending on the operating system that you're using. Once you get to the Sonicwall VPN connection, which is the Global VPN adapter, right-click on the connection, go to Properties, click on the Configure option that you see, go to the Advanced tab. The value that comes up here as the network address is the MAC address of the Global VPN adapter. Copy the same. We need to go back to the Sonicwall interface and enter the DHCP static entry for the Global VPN adapter. On the Sonicwall interface, go to the Network tab, DHCP server. Currently, we have X0 interface set with the DHCP range of 192.168.168.1 to 167. Any IP out of this range can be used for the Global VPN static DHCP entry. Click on Add Static. Entry name can be any friendly name as per your requirement. Static IP address for demonstration, we give it as 192.168.168.200. Ethernet address is the address that we obtained from the Global VPN adapter. This needs to be in a colon-separated format. Default gateway is the LAN IP address. Also, the subnet mask is the subnet mask assigned to the X0 interface. Click on OK to save the settings. In this scenario, we currently have the DHCP over VPN set to use internal DHCP server for Global VPN client. Also, we are using the X0 interface to assign IP addresses to the Global VPN adapters. If you're using any other interface, you can provide the IP address from the address range assigned to that particular interface. You can also refer to the video on creating a static DHCP entry for more information on creating static DHCP entries. Alternatively, on the system where the Global VPN client is installed, you can assign a static IP address to the Global VPN client adapter itself. On the Properties tab, we choose Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties, and use the option Use the following IP address. Here, the IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway needs to be assigned. Also, the DNS servers needs to be assigned. This brings us to the end of this video on how to configure static DHCP assignments for the GVC virtual adapter.